Hey y'all, hey, so I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be using pink lemon hair from the beauty supply store. My client got a closure and actually body wave, so I ended up crimping the closure to match this texture. So let's get right into it. And as you can see, I have her on my page before with her edges. I told y'all her edges was thinning, but y'all can see my girl is back in the game, okay? So we took a break from the frontals, got a little minoxidil, and some growth oil and some natural styles going. And yeah, so I got right into it. Y'all know. Cut the bundles, but when I get to the top, I want it to be as flat as possible, so I do cut the width of the hair in the middle of the sewing. Just a minute. See, I gave you faith, turned you down in the whole bit. Can't deny it. Now I'm all alone, and my joys turn them open. Tell me, where are you now that I need you? Where are you now that I need you? Couldn't find you anywhere. When you broke down, I didn't leave you. I was by your side. So where are you now that I need you? Where are you now that I need you? When nobody else was paying. I gave you the shirt off my back, what you saying? Keep you warm. I showed you the game everybody else was playing. That's for sure. And as y'all can see, the crimps blended right into the deep wave. I kept the top dry and I wet the bottom, and it looks so good. Look at my girl, she feeling herself. Okay, get into it. And you can see right here, her edges are safe. She still will be in the game with her sewing. She won't have any tension, nothing pulling. And it's still giving natural, okay? My girl is going to St. Pete. She loves to swim, and she can swim with her style. So book with the best. Bye.